There is one question that all learners who learn Dutch will eventually ask, and that is this one. What is the difference between ze and zij? Je and jij mean the same thing, just as ze and zij and we and wij, but they are used very differently. How? Well, je, ze and we are unstressed words. Jij, zij and wij are stressed words. Then what is the difference in how to use these words? How do you know when to use which one? Je, ze, and we are unstressed, so they are the neutral tone. We use these about 90% of the time. For example, je werkt hard. Je werkt hard. Notice that I don't pronounce je very much, I just say it quickly. Je werkt hard. Ze gaat morgen naar de markt. Ze gaat morgen naar de markt. Wat gaan we vandaag doen? Wat gaan we vandaag doen? So these words are unstressed and they don't have much emphasis in the sentences. Now we get to stressed, and when do we use these? For example, when there's contrast, so you're talking about multiple people. Or when you want to point someone out in a group. Or when you answer the question, who? Then we use jij, zij, wij. For example, jij gaat naar buiten, maar wij blijven hier. Here you emphasize the words, jij, wij. Or when you shift your focus. Ik heb een kop thee. Heb jij een kop thee? So the focus of the speaker shifts from ik naar jij. Ik heb een kop thee. Heb jij een kop thee? We also use this when we want to point out someone. For example, one team has won, the other team hasn't won. Zij hebben gewonnen. Zij niet. Or we use this when we answer the question who. Wie doet de afwas? Wij doen de afwas. Now notice also the difference in meaning with saying the unstressed version on the left, je, and the stressed version on the right, jij. Ga je mee? Ga je mee? This means, are you coming along? Are you coming with us? The picture on the right, ga jij mee? Ga jij mee? That is an expression of surprise. Are you coming along? Are you coming with us? Now that you know all that, let's practice. In the following sentence, should we use je of jij? Jij gaat naar huis, maar ik blijf hier. In this sentence, should we use ze of zij? Wat doet ze vanavond? In this sentence, we of wij? Wij. Wij hebben gewonnen. Zij niet. There's a strong contrast between we and they, so we use wij. Wij hebben gewonnen. Zij niet. So now that you know all this, you can learn also the other ones that are in the Dutch language. Me en mij. I en hij. Waar is hij? Ik heb hem. Ik heb hem. Het. Hoe laat is het? Hoe laat is het? Mijn. Waar is mijn telefoon? Waar is mijn telefoon? Je. Waar is je telefoon? Waar is je telefoon? Der. Waar is er telefoon? Waar is er telefoon? So that's the end, which gives me a great opportunity to tell you about my website, dutchclassroom.com, where you can book one-on-one lessons and find vocabulary lists in my shop. Thank you. Doei doei. Tot ziens.